Number 15. A student observed liquid wax dripping down the side of a burning candle. Okay, I see a picture in my head. My candle probably looks like this. All candles can look different. And there is wax dripping down the side. Okay, there's the wax dripping down the side. After putting out the candle's flame, so the candle is out, the student left the room. Several hours later, the student observed that there was no longer any liquid on the side of the candle. Which statement explains what most likely happened to the liquid wax? So we had this stuff dripping down, okay? It's a liquid, it's dripping down. If something's dripping down, it's like running down the side of your cup. It's dripping down. We're going to highlight our question. Which statement explains what most likely happened to the liquid wax? Right? So here we have liquid wax. We're going to leave for a few hours and think about what's going to happen to the liquid wax. If we leave it for a few hours, this is currently hot. So what will happen? It will cool. A. The heat given off by the flame caused the candle wax to evaporate. Well, they told us they put out the candle's flame. B. The liquid wax changed back into a solid as it cooled. I kind of like that answer choice, but I've got to read all of them. C. The liquid wax condensed and was absorbed by the candle. And D. None of the above. Once again, anytime you see none of the above or all of the above, you need to be very careful. This is a tricky answer. Often, this is not the correct one. The heat given off by the flame caused the candle to evaporate, the candle wax to evaporate. Well, it did not evaporate. There is still some there. They said it's a solid. The liquid wax changed back into a solid as it cooled. Well, if it cools, the liquid becomes a solid. Possibly the cooler temperature means it was colder, and meaning it goes from a liquid to a solid. Maybe, because now it should just be kind of like stuck, right? This is where you see it piled up down here and it's hard, or you see it just stuck to the side of the candle like this. And that means that it was once hot and rolling down or dripping down the candle, and now it's hardened. The liquid wax condensed and was absorbed by the candle. Absorbed, this is like a sponge. Absorbed means to soak up. The candles do not soak up the wax. The wax hardens on the outside or ends up on the table around them. Okay? So which statement explains what most likely happened to the liquid wax would be B. The liquid wax changed back into a solid as it was cooled.